In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive lists in Trello. Trello is an incredibly versatile tool for organizing projects, tasks, and workflows. Over time, however, your boards can get a little cluttered with lists you no longer need. Fortunately, Trello makes it easy to archive those lists and keep your workspace clean and focused. In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you exactly how to archive a list in Trello so you can better manage your boards and keep everything tidy. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to www.trello.com. Once the website loads, look towards the top right corner of the homepage and click on the option labeled Login. Next, you'll need to enter your email address. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can select a single sign-on option like logging in with your Google or Microsoft account. If you're prompted to enter a password, type it in, then click the Login button to access your Trello account. Now that you're logged in, locate your boards. You can find them in your workspace or use the search bar at the top of the screen to quickly track down the specific board that contains the list you want to archive. Once you found the right board, click on it to open it. Inside the board, look for the list you'd like to archive. It should be one of the columns displayed on your screen. When you've identified the list, move your cursor to the top of the list where the header is located. There you'll see a small icon with 3 dots. This is the list menu. Click on the 3 dots icon to open the menu. From the menu that appears, find and select the option that says Archive this list. Once you click it, the list will be archived immediately. You'll know the process is complete because the list will disappear from your board view. And that's it. You've successfully archived the list in Trello. Archiving lists helps you declutter your boards while still preserving the information in case you need it later. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.